Hi everyone, my name is Kayreen Kelly. I live in Shelley, Idaho with my husband Dale. We have 6 children, 3 of which are married, 5 grandchildren, and one on the way in June, and one great-grandchild due to the magic of blended families. I love family time, especially time with grandbabies. Wednesdays are my Adam days. We are a farm-oriented family. We have 3 cows, a calf, and one on the way, a billy goat, 2 juvenile goats that gets to go to my sister's house, 5 nanny goats, 6 kids, 3 dogs, and 1 cat that rules the place. 3 of my sons and my husband work in the farming industry. I spend my summers in the farming industry also. I help my dad on his farm by doing his books and driving truck. I also drive a semi for my brother in the summer and fall, and sometimes I even drive for Dale. Needless to say, that keeps me pretty busy. I print everything I can and take my homework everywhere I go. Last summer, I did a lot of homework at job sites. I work for the local school district for the rest of the year, and I facilitate online classes for the high school. I've done this for 2 years, and I love it. Um, I am taking 2 classes at a time because I do work full time. And my experience in web design is somewhat limited, even though I facilitate the online classes. I It's all outside, it's not an inside thing. So my knowledge is more on the outside of the programs and not the meat of the programs or what makes the programs. Um, I'm using a Windows. I have an HP, and that's something about myself. I'm looking forward to get to know everybody else.